In this video, I'll be providing an in-depth review of Kashoo, a web-based accounting software specifically designed for small business owners and freelancers. From the moment you land on Kashoo's homepage, you'll notice its clean and user-friendly interface. The dashboard offers a clear overview of your financial data, including income, expenses, and cash flow, which is particularly helpful for staying on top of your business's finances. Setting up your account is straightforward. After signing up, you'll be guided through the onboarding process, which includes connecting your bank account and customizing your settings based on your business needs. Kashoo supports multiple currencies, making it a great choice for businesses operating internationally. One standout feature is its smart inbox, which automatically sorts and categorizes your expenses from uploaded receipts and email-forwarded transactions. The platform also excels in simplifying invoicing. You can create and send professional-looking invoices in minutes, customize them to reflect your branding, and even set up automated reminders for unpaid invoices. For those who need to manage taxes, Kashoo provides tools to calculate tax rates, track sales tax, and generate tax reports seamlessly. If payroll is a concern, Kashoo integrates with several third-party payroll solutions, allowing you to streamline employee payments. For more advanced accounting needs, it offers detailed reports, such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and expense summaries. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Another noteworthy feature is the ability to collaborate with your accountant directly through the platform. Kashoo's sharing options allow you to grant access to your financial data securely. Additionally, its mobile app provides flexibility, enabling you to manage your finances on the go. Kashoo's pricing structure is transparent and competitive. It offers a free trial, which I recommend exploring to determine if it meets your specific needs. The subscription plans cater to both individuals and small businesses, offering a range of features that can scale as your business grows. In comparison to other accounting software, Kashoo stands out for its simplicity and focus on ease of use. However, it may not be ideal for larger enterprises with complex financial requirements. Overall, Kashoo is a robust and accessible solution for small business owners seeking an intuitive platform to manage their accounting needs. Its user-friendly design, smart tools, and reliable customer support make it a strong contender in the accounting software market. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials on software for small businesses. Your support means a lot and helps me continue creating content like this.